Hello friends, last time we have already learned about errors and uh, you all know the definition of error. Error is nothing but the something mistaken measurement by the instrument due to some kinds of problems arrived human or the instrumental. So this is said to be an error. So here we have to learn about three kinds of errors: absolute errors, relative errors and percentage errors. So first of all you have to know that what is absolute error. So absolute error is the difference between individual measurement and the true value of the quantity is called the absolute error of the measurement. So you can see here, suppose here 2, 3 and 4. These three numbers are the results which were gained by you in any experiment. So you can see here by the adding all these three divide by 3, so you will get the result is 3. So 3 is nearly true, near value of the true value. So now you have to find, if you want to find out the absolute error, so what will you do? First of all you have to subtract, you have to find out the average or mean value like this. Here 3 is mean value of 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we have some observations or measurements. Those are A1, A2, A3 up to AN. And now by addition of these all and by division the number of observations, you will get the mean. And absolute error that you want to find out for 2, 3 and 4, we have mean is 3. So what will you do? So 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 and 4 minus 1 is equal to 1. So these three numbers are the absolute error in measurement. So for each one you can find out the absolute error. Now you can see here absolute error can be negative, can be positive or 0. So this is the important thing is that the absolute error is maybe positive, maybe negative or positive, negative or 0. Now see, we have to understand that the absolute error in measurement, but before this we have to find out the average absolute error. So take all these in mode. So in mode, see, minus 1 become plus 1 and so delta A1, delta A2 up to delta AN will be in the mode form and then divide by n. So you will get delta A bar. Here you have this one A bar. This is A bar and this is A bar that is like this, and here this one is delta A bar. This one is delta A bar. So your value must be between the, see, A is your original value, it will be between A mean minus delta A mean and A mean plus delta A mean. So when you find out 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever numbers are here, 6 something. So this one is your mean. By getting the values 4, 2 minus 4, 3 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 5 minus 4, 6 minus 4, you will get minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So again adding all these and divide by 5, you will get 0. So 4 minus 0 and 4 plus 0. So you have A will be between A mean minus delta A mean and A mean plus delta A mean. So now relative error in fractional form. So it is said to be delta A. So delta વાળું ઉપર delta વગરનું નીચે. With the delta, it is in numerator, without delta in denominator. And this one is said to be a relative error. Same as if you want to find out percentage error, you have to multiply this relative error by 100. So you will get this one, your result. Now, two and important points are there. Relative error, absolute error can be negative or positive, but average absolute error must be positive. And see, first of all you have to find out A bar, then after A1 minus A bar, A2 minus A bar, dot dot dot, see, same as. Now this one, so delta, you have to find out delta A bar by adding in mode delta A1 plus up to an divided by n, and by getting this one your value must be A bar minus delta A bar greater less than A, and it is also less than A bar plus delta A bar. So now relative error, that is delta A bar upon A bar, here delta A is equal to delta A bar upon A bar, and by multiplying with 100 you will get the percentage error. So for from these three different kinds of formulas, you have to do some kinds of sums from your text, and in your test paper is also. So now if you have any kind of problem, you can contact me. Thank you.